So, let's wake up mga Pilipino na we need to understand what is a system. Na-discover ko lang to and gusto ko siya i-share. Meron tayong bad system and good system. And almost sa mga successful people or rich people, naiintindihan nila kung ano ang system. Tapos minsan may mga unsuccessful people, sabihin na natin unsuccessful, or let's say poor. Mahirap lang ako, mahirap lang tayo. So, hindi nga nila alam kung ano ang sistema. Paano nila ma-identify kung ano ang difference ng bad at good system? Kung sa sarili nila, hindi nila alam kung ano tong sistema na to. Ang sistema ay isang procedure or process to do something. So, yan. Meron tayong dalawang individual dito. Isa unsuccessful or poor and the other one is rich. Halimbawa, pangalan natin si Jose tsaka si Maria. Si Maria, alam niya kung ano ang system at alam niya kung ano ang good system. Si Jose, hindi niya alam ang system at hindi niya ma-identify kung ano ang good at bad system. So, dahil alam ni Maria ang good system, umaga pa lang, 5 a.m. in the morning, nagigising na siya. So, because she knows the difference between bad and a good system, meron siyang productivity, or she is productive. And she is consistent enough to follow the system that she created, which is a good system. She creates progress. And not just productivity and consistency, you also have discipline. And because of this, it leads her to become more successful and understand that time is gold. Time is gold. On the other hand, ito si Jose, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still sleeping. Kailan siya nagigising? 11 in the morning. So, dito pa lang, makikita natin ang pinagkaiba ng system ni Maria kay Jose. So, at the very first glance on this illustration, you can see that there is a huge difference. Maria has the advantage kasi she knows what is a system and a good system and what are the things that she needs to do to make a good system. First is to realize that time is gold and to know how to manage time. So, 5 pa lang gising na siya. Then 6, maybe, naglilinis na siya ng bahay. 7, maybe nagpe-prepare na ng food. Then 8, kakain. Pwede din, pag 9, meron na siyang nag-exercise or other hobbies. And then 10, pwede na siyang sa business if she has a business. So that's it. Dito pa lang, lamang na si Maria kay Jose. So if you want to know more about this system that I've been talking about, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. These are all based on my keen observation. Because I've been through that. I want you to understand the systems